This thing's super simple. I'm gonna make me some pickled cabbage. I got this cut just right, so it's gonna fit in here. Just like that. I'm gonna finish it off with the rest of my brine. I'm gonna probably put some more in it in a minute, but I just want to show you guys how this works. So you're just gonna be able to dump this like this and see completely watertight. Nothing's gonna come out of there. And what this little mechanism right here is gonna do is create a one-way valve that's gonna let air out, because whenever this is pickling, it's gonna release gases, and you don't want that pressure to build up in your jar. So this is gonna let those gases out without creating all that pressure. And it's also gonna create a seal that's gonna stop any kind of oxygen from getting in, because you don't want oxygen into your pickled jar. So you just fill it with water just like that, and that's gonna create that one-way valve.